Hi, today I'm going to use the Jalra app to create the Mora that is played during concerts, thani avarthanam. So let me begin. So the Mora is tat tankidataka tarikidataka tatit tankidataka tarikidataka tat tankidataka tarikidataka talangudum tat talangudum. This is the first talam and for the adi talam, and then this is repeated for the second time, and the third time and the fourth time goes something like this. Tat tankidataka tarikidataka tatit tankidataka tarikidataka tat tankidataka tarikidataka talangudum tat tatit tankidataka tarikidataka talangudum tat tatit tankidataka tarikidataka talangudum tat dum talangudum tat dum talangudum tat dum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the entire Mora style by style and then add it to the playlist to create the final output. So I'm going to first compose the first portion. I'm going to give it a name called as Mora Part 1. So if you see, it will get added at the end. I open its beat editor. And now I'll start composing. There are 4 beats in this beat editor. I am going to use 2 of them for 1 count of adi talam. So this one particular style of 4 beats is going to fill 2 counts of an adi talam. 1, then this is 2. So there will be 2 count of adi talam. So the first portion is tat tankita taka, then tari, or I'll say thari, right? Kita taka. So this will be the first portion. Just let me play it. So that is the first phrase that that has been created. The second phrase is tatit tankidataka tarikidataka. So I'm going to create another phrase or another style for the second phase, which is Mora Part 2, and I'm going to, so this is the third and the fourth talam. So I am going to now define tatit tankita taka tari kita taka. So that was the first and the second phrase. So I'll be playing this one time. This is one time. Let me just give this annotation that this is the start of talam 1. So I'll repeat. So this is, oh sorry, I should have added at the end. So this is tat tankidataka tarikidataka tatit tankidataka tarikidataka. Then this is tat tankidataka tarikidataka. Now I'm going to create another phrase, another style. So I'll call it Mora Part 3. This is talangudum ta talangudum. So this is actually the last 2 beats. So this is talangudum ta. So it will be like talangudum ta. Yeah, talangudum ta and talangudum ta. Talangudum. So this should do that. So I have now, let me just play this. I don't want to loop this. So I'm going to again add one more cycle, and this time this is talam 2. Let me give a hyphen also. Yeah. So this is talam 2. So first portion, then the second portion, and then again the first portion, and then the last part. So we have completed 2 talams. The third talam we will be repeating the first 3 portions anyways again. So I am going to add this at the end. So this is the beginning of Talam 3. Talam 3. So I'm going to add this 1, 2, 1, and I'm going to compose the next phrase now. So we have devised so the third talam until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the 7, 8 goes like tat. So we got tat tankitataka tarikitataka tattit tankitataka tarikitataka tat tankitataka tarikitataka talangdhum ta tattit tankitataka tarikitataka. So I'll have to say talangdhum ta tattit tankitataka talangdhum ta tattit tankitataka tarikitataka. So I'm going to create another style now. Call it Mora phase. Mora part 4, and I'll open its beat editor. So this is the last reach, or the 7 and 8. So I am going to say talang dhum ta. Now tatti tat. So I'll say tatti tankita tankita. So I can add another step into this in order to complete this. Tatti tanki tari tari kita taka. Then talangudumta talangudumta. So this is the part 4, and I have also begin the next talam part 1 and 2. So now I'll go ahead and create the next part. So Mora part 5, and in part 5 I am going to say, so this is actually the 3 and 4. So this is ta kita ka tari kita taka. So this is that. Now I have to play talangudumta dum talangudumta dum talangudumta dum. So I have to say talang. So this is the 5 and 6. So this is 5 and 6. So I have to say talang dhumta talang dhum ta dhum, right? And then talang I'll add another this dhum ta dhum ta dhum. Then again talang dhum ta, and then the final ending will be just dhum talang dhum ta dhum talang dhum ta dhum. And this is again this is 2 beats, and this is Jalra 2 beats, and this will be the final beat, which I'll leave it as an open Jalra sound. So this is the final part. So if I add this now, and if you hear the entire this in this sequence now, you should be able to hear the Mora. So in Mora part 4, I think I did not give the talam for the two portions. So the part 4 is I'll have to say here and here. Yeah, this is the start of the fourth talam. So I had to say that. So if you want to hear it again. Yeah, that is the Adi Talam Mora used in the thani avarthanam during kacheris. Hope you all enjoyed this demo. Thank you. Bye.